In this video, I'll show you how to fix calling card option not showing in phone dialer. If I open up my phone application and if I go to the settings inside right here, and if I scroll down, you'll get to see there is no calling card option. So if you're also not getting the calling card option, then here's how you can fix and get it back. It's super easy, but before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so if the calling card option not showing, the very first thing that you have to do, go and open up the Play Store from your phone and then simply go and search for Phone by Google. And once you have searched with this one, you'll get to see the Phone by Google application. This is the phone application, so you just need to get into this one and then scroll down a little bit, and here you get the option App Support, Join the Beta. You just need to tap on this Join button here, tap on Join. This will take a little time, so you just need to wait some time. And also you just need to scroll up, and if you found any pending update with the phone application, go and tap on this update button and update your phone application to the latest version. And once you have updated your phone application and joined to the beta version, you just need to get back from here and you just need to restart your phone once. And once you have done all this process, most likely a problem is going to be solved and the calling card option will start showing inside the dialer application. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.